Creatine has been primarily discussed in the context of bodybuilding and bulking up. For that matter, I've had patients tell me they thought creatine was only for gym bros. Creatine is made in our bodies from 3 amino acids. Most of the creatine made is stored in muscle cells to be used as energy. So think of it as a form of fuel. Our bodies make about 1 gram of creatine per day. Natural sources are primarily meat, red meat, fish, poultry. Now, we would need to consume quite a large amount of meat daily since cooking it reduces the creatine content. This is particularly challenging for vegetarians and vegans since there are essentially no plant-based sources of creatine. So why is this important, specifically for women? There is proven research showing the benefits of creatine supplementation for menopause and beyond. Creatine has been shown to help combat the muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia, that happens with decreasing estrogen levels. When combined with resistance training, it helps decrease the rate of bone mineral density loss and may even increase bone strength. It has also been shown to improve cognitive performance, memory, and reduces brain fog. And since it boosts ATP production, it also helps fight fatigue. Now, creatine does not replace hormone replacement therapy, also known as HRT. HRT remains gold standard treatment for menopausal changes, specifically vasomotor symptoms such as hot flashes. However, creatine supplementation can be a great, safe starting point for women going through these physiologic changes related to hormones. While most of the studies focus specifically on the benefits of creatine in menopause and beyond, there's a lot of emerging evidence showing its benefits during perimenopause, especially for symptoms like mood swings and fatigue that typically happen during the luteal phase, which is the time between ovulation and menses. Now let's talk about the 3 most common questions I get from my patients about creatine supplements. Creatine is one of the safest, most well-studied supplements. 3 grams of creatine monohydrate is typically safe when taken daily or less frequently depending on need and activity level. Some women report mild bloating or temporary weight gain. This is from water retention in the muscles. It is temporary and self-resolves. Creatine can falsely elevate creatinine, which is a kidney function test that is tested through our blood. To ease concerns, some patients get baseline labs and then monitor periodically, but that is typically not required. Creatine is a form of energy only, while protein are essential building blocks. While meat sources of creatine have protein, the supplement does not. So the greatest benefit comes from pairing creatine supplementation with a healthy protein diet and consistent strength training. As always, though, speak with your physician prior to starting any supplementation to make sure that it's safe and a good fit for you. I'm Dr. Raj, board-certified family medicine physician, and I hope you found this information helpful.